Another day and another AI coding agent, and this time it's Sourcebook, SRCbook.com. And the most impressive thing about this company is actually they are backed by Y Combinator. So Y Combinator is actually a startup accelerator based in Silicon Valley. If you don't know, OpenAI was also backed by Y Combinator. So yeah, so it looks okay from here. And Sourcebook is an open source TypeScript notebook for rapid prototyping, learning, and internal tooling. All right, we believe in 2024 there is still no productive prototyping environment for JS, TypeScript, Python has Jupyter and Streamlit. But what about TypeScript, which is largely language de facto of the product teams? Okay, fine. All right, they got a point. Okay, I think
about Sourcebook.
they have
I'm going
a
to create
simple
a new
basic
cell. So
video by
here we are.
the founder, but let's just jump into directly. So you can simply just come here, sourcebook.com, and then simply sign in. I just sign in simply, and then there are a few options here. Make me stop Spotify clone, make it build a to-do list app. Let's just start a to-do list app. So you can either like install it locally as well. I think you can simply just go to the GitHub repository and you can install this project locally as well. So I'm just accessing their browser-based version. So let's just build a simple to-do list app and let's see what it comes up with. All right, it works kind of similar to what we have in bolt.new. So hello Sourcebook, if you're seeing this, the AI is currently writing code for your app. Hang tight. Okay, all right, let's see. Writing code, this can take a while. All right, there is no terminal here, so I cannot like yeah, because it's only actually based on TypeScript. So this is more like similar to v0.dev. So all right, so they have these two packages installed, and so we cannot actually, apparently we cannot install any packages. I think there is an option to do that. Yeah, so I can actually see. Oh, perfect. All right, cool. That's good. That's nice. All right. I can add a category, I can add a priority, I can this, and then I can simply just add that. Why this interface is actually giving me feeling of Replit. Replit had kind of similar interface. Anyways, we are trying to test our app that we just created. Okay, review changings. All right, we can. I want to test prototype. Sorry, I'm sleepy right now because it's 1 a.m. in UK, 1:14 a.m. right now, and this tool just got launched. I was just scrolling on my feed, counting my subscribers. By the way, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Right now at 1920, we need to reach 10,000 before the end of this year, so please do subscribe. All right, so what it does, let me add some initial steps. Okay, cool. Let me just try to test it. All right, I can just choose that. I can do that, and simply, yeah, cool, perfect, awesome. All right, it has created a basic to-do list app. So yeah, it looks okay. I cannot see like too many options here. Still, I think bolt.new is better. I don't see any kind of reason to switch my workflow. Okay, let's try to create something serious. Build a Twitter feed. Okay, let's just try something more serious. And I think they might have packages as well. So yeah, they don't have any packages right now. So I think they have just published introduced this for free, absolutely for free. There is a theme option. We can just switch to dark and bright, and we can simply, of course, we can download source code. We can toggle this button on and off, and we can have our thingy back, and then I think we can open a new tab. All right, so far it looks okay. I mean, the number of tools that we have tested, all of these kind of AI coding agent. So I think this is just like okay. All right, fine. Okay, so it has created a basic Twitter front end. All right, cool, perfect. not bad, not bad, not bad. Okay, let's just see what kind of code it has written. So let's just see here. Okay, so it has created app.tsx and xcss main.tsx. Okay, white and okay, all right, it's creating in white. So package.json. So it has that tailwind css and then white config. So let's try to create a next.js. Create next.js to-do list app. Let's just try something basic in next.js. And we might try React Native as well to see what it does. But yeah, I mean, we are seeing just like quite a lot of AI coding agent out there, but it's a good thing. So 2024 has become now an AI coding agent here. Actually, Q4 only, because first 3 quarters were okay. My cursor got actually viral in third quarter, but Q4 now is more about web-based. This kind of AI coding agents. So all right, so it has created in next.js. Cool, perfect. I think we can just do that. Let me just review the code. Let me just review the structure. Okay, cool. Okay, review changings. Fine. Okay. All right. So I think this is still in a very basic initial phases. We'll still have to there is no packages out there to buy. So this is still in a very basic state. So let's see how this turns out to be. But I mean, we are happy with what we have right now. We are happy with cursor. The most impressive one that I saw after cursor is actually windsurf. Some people actually like windsurf more. I personally like cursor, and I want to just stick with cursor for a while. I don't like actually changing environments. I like to stick with one thing that I have established, and then I just like to work on that. But bolt.new was okay. Is fun to test. v0.dev is fun to create front end designs. I have a huge whole story about to tell in another video about v0.dev, how it saved my life and a big project for me. But yeah, it's okay. It's not very impressive. It's just an alpha version of bolt.new, sorry to say, but yeah, an alpha version of v0.dev, actually not bolt.new. So yeah, all right, I see you next video. Bye bye.